You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this Czech painter. If you want to learn more confusing names of famous painters that too many people mispronounce, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you. I'll link to a few for you at the end of this one. He was Czech painter and graphic artist. So the Czech pronunciation, Frantisek Kupka, also known as Frank or François Kupka, but his original Czech name, Frantisek Kupka. You can say in English, simply the pronunciation in English, Frantisek Kupka, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.